Okay, so here's this one. Okay, so welcome to 52 weeks of journals. So I've got this lovely journal here to show you. So it's another handmade journal with just one signature, and it's stitched, and then I've covered it with these papers. These are they were like a free giveaway in the magazine, and so I've just stuck it onto the page. And here we have two areas at the top and the bottom where I can add wording. It's a piece of card that has had glue stick, and then it's allowed to harden, and then I've covered it with tissue paper. And then in the middle here we've got glitter, and this is a wooden butterfly, and so I just attached it and then added the glitter to the butterfly as well, and some stenciled glitter at the top and the bottom. So let's do a flip through of this, and you can see some of the pages. So it again is in progress. So if you've got journals like this, there's no reason for you to feel pressured into completing it or to finishing it. So on this one I went through and I did just some lines in different paints at different times, and it's quite therapeutic to just apply paint to the page without any specific thought of what an image is going to be. And then we have lots of pages where there's just background, and this is the Neo colours, and we've got some paint as well that we've used. And I've also gone round and looked at what are the little things that I've just got hanging around that on their own are not seem insignificant, but in a journal, in a small journal, will actually make quite a big impact. So in this one I did do a mini image, and as I say, I've gone through tags, and some of the pages are not done, and some are more nearing completion and just awaiting some final marks, and some of this is just recycled paper as well. And what I'll probably do is either just gesso the page or add collage to it. Some card that has already been painted, and just some more recycled card. So some of these pages would be nice to work on with just making marks and taking your pen and going through, or making marks with the paint, or journaling. But using up some of the things you have that you can add to pages and give it dimension, give it some interest. So that's this one. Right, so what I'm feeling on this page, on a page, we're going to do one of the pages, is and I'm going to bring out some stencils, and I'm going to use a stencil that I haven't used, and maybe we'll do that. So I'll go through my stencil. Okay, here's two stencils we haven't used in a while, and I'm thinking of using it. So let me get my brush, we'll get some gesso on here, and we're just going to create some raised and again, this is a nice way to use up your supplies that you haven't used in a while. I haven't used this stencil in a while, and so this reminds you what you have. I use this as it's like a border when they first brought out stencils for like decorating your home. And I got all these brushes and all these stencils, and now I've got journals. Yeah, okay. And I'm going to do a little